sayawan, gano'n, masaya. Wow naman! Student Patrick, Felipe, and Rufa Gutierrez. And now, representing the 100 Kwan Foundation. Let me go with Liz, Aruba. Pasok ako yan. Wow! Saan muna doon? Ayan. Ayan. O, dito. Basta. Ayan. O, na.
Ano?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako nga po pala.
Si Manny Pacquiao. Ayusin mo!
Ang nag-iisang
Pala.
Miss Universe.
Baka hindi ka pa nananalo. Ano to?
Battle of the Champions.
Naniniwala ako po. Artista, ganon.
Ganun.
Oo, ganon.
Sige. Naniniwala po ako.
Kasabihan, Maki, kasabihan.
Nakakagit po. Sa kasabihan. Naniniwala po ko sa kasabihan.
Sa kasabihan,
Oo.
ang babaeng hindi mapakali nakakain ng panis na spaghetti. Ako po nga po pala. Hindi matapos na may DJ.
Bastos eh. Bastos ka pag niyata ka, ha? Kalato eh.
Bastos! Wala po eh.
Hayaan mo siya. Siya yung contestant eh.
Bastos!
Oo, bastos eh.
Ako nga po.
Ano to? Hindi pa ulit-ulit.
Sige.
Ako nga po pala.
Na nag-iisang Miss Universe
Nanalo na.
2010 Miss Venus Ra. Thank you.
Wow! Music na no? Tatanga ka. Palakpak ko na! Palakpak! Ano to? Magandang gabi po. Ay, sorry, nakita na po. Ang nakatayo po sa inyong harapan, ang ang nakatayo po sa inyong harapan, ang nagpatibok po sa puso, Ipiolo Pascual. Ako po, si Samuel Lee.
Love it!
At naniniwala po ako sa katagang, ang babaeng hindi natutumba ay dating konduktora. Okay, question and answer. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Zimbabwe. Okay, go, pa. Hi.
Hello.
You want English or Tagalog?
I speak in vernacular.
What?
I speak in vernacular. I can speak Tagalog, I can speak English, I can speak Nihongo, I can speak Italian, I can speak Spanish.
Ah,
Whatever you want.
okay, let's begin with, let's speak English.
Alright.
This is your question.
Yes.
Aside from your face, what is your biggest
I love you,
problem?
Maki!
Oh.
Kaya?
Yes.
Turuan mo.
Pass.
Okay, you passed on the question. Another question, I rephrased the question. Given a chance, what chance is this?
Alright. That was a very, very good question. Keep it up.
Okay. Ako naman ang tatanungin mo. Alam mo ba yung tinanong kay kay Venus Ra?
Venus Rock. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Palakpakan ako na.
Alright, Miss Philippines. This is your question.
Thank you very much. And before I answer your question, I would like to thank...
There's no time. This is your question.
And then, I just
Where's the
want to
parrot?
thank the Board of Judges for choosing me as
Oh,
one of the
we already
finalists.
think. Okay,
Thank
this
you
is
so
your
much.
question. Your question is, where do you live? Yes, where do you live?
Well, it's none of your business.
Alright.
Yung question ni Venus lang.
Alright, this is your question. What is the biggest mistake you made in your life? And what did you do to make it right? Again, go answer.
No, again, can you repeat the question, please?
I can't repeat the question. I forgot. Go.
You have to repeat it.
Okay.
You fucking
What
shit.
what is the biggest mistake you made in your life, and what did you do to make it right?
Thank you for that beautiful question. Well, when I was a kid, my mom told me, the more you talk, the more you commit mistakes. So I'd rather not to answer your question, so I'm not going to commit mistakes. Thanks so much. Okay, this is your next question. What we speak? What is a verb? What is a verb?
A verb. A verb. A verb.
Yes.
It is an action verb.
Ah, you're so stupid. A verb is an animal with feathers. Give me an example of a verb.
Angry verb.
Oh, I like it. Can you show it?
I don't have any.
You don't have a bird?
Yeah. How about you?
Oh my God, I don't have also. Kasi nandiyan na sa sisig nyo. Kain na kayo, Charles. Wala pa kayo naman siya. It's so good, ladies and gentlemen. Magbabalik po ang Clown in a Million. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're so good. Pwede ka maging host. Kasi magaling ka